kabaka waffe ng'akozesa.
Please discuss, Keko John, Chief State Attorney. I'm appearing together with Richard, Chief State Attorney. We are both from the Office of the Director of Prosecution. There is counsel on watching brief. Mr. Nahabu Precious from Elgon Advocates.
Mr. Nahabu Precious.
So watching brief, you are the complaint.
You made a complaint that different factors.
Either should the accused person is before you. I have not seen or reported by any lawyer representing
the counsel in this matter for this person.
I don't know if we pray that his plea is
What do you understand?
I speak both English and Luganda.
the language of fuzz is mentioned here.
So you understand English and Luganda properly?
Yes.
So which one would you prefer today?
I would prefer to use English.
Married at age 27 years, Uganda by tribe, businessman, resident at Kauga village, Mukono Upper, Mukono Municipality, Mukono district. Count 1 is hate speech, lecturers. Musama Ibrahim Elias, pressure 24/7.
That the section of the law is read as
I think let me read it. Mr. Munaana Ibrahim, you also called Pressure 24/7. You're a male adult, you are 27 years. You're Uganda by tribe, you're a businessman, you reside in Kauga village in Mukono Upper, Mukono Municipality, in Mukono district. You stand charged with 8 counts. Count number 1 is hate speech, under section 24A1A, C and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. The particular offense are that you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared information which is likely to reach or degrade or demean and promote hostility against a person with His Excellency Dr. Museveni, the President Republic of Uganda. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What's your clue in count number 1?
I didn't know I was committing a crime since I have psychological problems.
plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 1. Count number 2 is malicious information, counted section 26C, 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. It's alleged in particulars that you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district, or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared the malicious information relating to His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood the charge?
Yes.
Is it true?
I didn't know I was committing a crime since I also had political problems. I've been even taken to retired police.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 2. Count number 3 is hate speech, according to section 26A, 1, A, B, C, and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act 2011 as amended. The particulars of the offense are that you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024 in areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, shared information which is likely to read it or degrade or demean, create divisions among the Baganda tribe, and promote hostility against a person to wit His Majesty Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II, the Kabaka of Uganda Kingdom. Have you understood the charge?
Yes.
Is it true?
I didn't know that I was committing a crime since the spirits of the fallen kings usually disturb me and possess me, so I get frustrated.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 3. Count number 4 is malicious information, according to section 26C, 1, subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011. The particulars are that you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024, in areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared malicious information relating to His Majesty Ronald Muwenda Mutebi, the King, Kabaka of Uganda Kingdom. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
It is not true. Like I've explained before that I am significant. I have psychological problems and the spirits keep on haunting me and I was frustrated. So I decided to just, I'm only human. I lost control of everything. I didn't mean to malice or to degrade him because I highly respect this kingdom since I'm a prince.
There was a slight amendment to count number 4. The particulars, the main malicious information, according to section 26C1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act, and the particulars are that you, Munaana Ibrahim, harassed Pressure 24/7 between August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7. You shared malicious information relating to His Majesty Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II, the King, Kabaka of Uganda Kingdom. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
It's not true. I have been frustrated for about 2 years now, and I have made attempts to write to the Buganda Kingdom about the spirits of the fallen kings that have been haunting me and asking me to repair their tombs, and yet I don't have resources.
You are pray that restricts himself to either yes or no at the moment. And I think that is the first thing.
What I'm trying to ask you, whatever he says, I interpret not guilty.
Can I continue?
Just let me know. Account number 5 is hate speech. Code of section 26A1, subsection A1, 26 capital A1, A, and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2020 of 2011 as of February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district. What they are about, while using a computer via TikTok account, Article 7, shared information which is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean a person to which Right Honorable Anita Annette among the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true, sir.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 5. Count number 6 is malicious information. Under section 26 capital C 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. And the particulars are that you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024, in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, shared malicious information relating to the Right Honorable Anita Annette among the Speaker of the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true. I didn't know I was committing a crime. Like I mentioned.
A plea of not guilty has been entered against you in count number 6. Count number 7 is hate speech. Go to section 26A, that's 2011 as amended. The particulars of the offense are you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, or using a computer via TikTok account against a person to which Honorable Joyce Nabosa Sebugwawo. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, I've understood that, charge.
Is it true?
I had no intentions of publishing any malicious content since I've explained it to you earlier before that I have something to contribute.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 7. Count number 8 is malicious information according to section 26 capital C, subsection 1 and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. And the particulars of the offense are that you, Munaana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 20, areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, shared malicious information relating to Honorable Joyce Nabosa Sebugwawo. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 8. Yes, sir?
Your Worship, the inquiry in this matter is still ongoing. We seek an adjournment to conclude the inquiries. We pray that the next date is the date for mention.
You do have a right to apply for bail before this court if you do have sureties.
I have created.
Where are they?
Asha Blessing and my wife. Asha Blessing.
Where the sureties for Mr. Munaana? At least give me 2 sureties. Let me have a look at your national identity cards and the LOC letters introducing you and introducing the applicant as per the bail guidelines. Mr. Munaana, don't you think they are not traded?
There is.
Huh? You don't have an identity card? What? So one of them is not traded? Mr. Munaana, you have seen that?
Yes, I've seen that. I had another.
So can we conclude, Mr. Munaana, that you have sureties in this court today?
I have sureties, but they didn't carry my ID. So sorry.
So they are not traded to stand for you today?
They are.
So you don't have sureties?
I have sureties.
You are not there, Mr. Munaana. Are they there?
I would like to look for your inside because I have psychological problems. I'm really distant, especially psychologically. I have not settled down and I've been having so many people. I would call them spiritual conditions which have led me out in a way that is not right. But I am a very respectable young man and I promise.
Your problem is part of your right to get
I'm not trying to make sure that they should that
I
the
promise
sureties
to
are not
delete.
Much of
identification.
right to
I promise to delete all the publications I made and to ask for forgiveness. I'm not a violent young man, neither do I have evil intentions towards the current government or the presiding government. I respect each and everybody in their authority, and I promise to delete all the publications and stop with immediate effect. If caught again publishing such content on social media, I would plead guilty. But I didn't have any knowledge of me promoting the crime, and I don't have any hate speech. Rather than I was trying to put out the things that I saw as unfair in society. I'm sorry if they came out not right, but I'm not a harmful person, and I don't have any counts of violence, neither do I have counts of hate speech.
Mr. Munaana, since your sureties have no identifications, they are deemed not to be present in this court. So you are remanded until the 7th of March 2024, when you will appear in this court for mention of your case. Court is adjourned.